Hi and welcome to another tutorial from FobFix. Today we're going to be replacing the battery on this Vauxhall Vivaro van key. It's a flip key, but I think also later model Peugeots and Citroens use a very similar key. We're going to need a CR2032 battery and we'll also need a pry tool to get into this. When you first look at it, there's no real obvious way to get the back off this key, and the back part we need to take off is this black plastic panel here. But what we do is if we take the pry tool and you insert it gently between this chrome part that holds the key ring and the black plastic part, you can just get that in there, and if you just lever up you'll hear a little click. There you go. And if you do it a little bit more you'll hear a louder click. We just go, there you go, and that takes the back panel off there. Now this is the CR2032 we want to remove. There's a little black plastic clip this side, but if we put the pry tool down this end of the battery we can just lever it out. These do contain lithium, so please dispose of these responsibly. They do have recycling containers at most supermarkets, all that kind of place. So what we'll do is we will just take our brand new CR2032 and we will take that out of the packaging, and then obviously it will look like this. So we just take that, pop that back underneath this edge to go underneath the clip, and then push it down so firmly. And there's two little black plastic clips this side that keep it in. And then if we just take the back panel, you see these little clips there, they go in that slot there. So if we just line them up, put them there, and then if we just push down firmly, you'll hear a clip. There you go. And that's it. Nice and easy. Hope that helps. See you in the next one.